Hey creators and educators, let's talk about why understanding AI isn't just for coders in lab coats. It's for anyone who wants their work to be future-proof and their creativity to shine. Today, I'm unlocking the world of symbolic reasoning and deterministic clarity in AI. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's a game changer for any independent thinker. Here's the thing, most of what you hear about AI is all prediction and probabilities. It's like asking a magic 8-ball for advice. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't, and you never really know why. But symbolic reasoning? That's different. It's all about logic, symbols, and transparency. Imagine being able to trace every decision an AI makes step by step, like following a recipe. For creators, that means you stay in the driver's seat. You know exactly why your AI did what it did. No black boxes, no guesswork. And for educators, it's a powerful way to teach the next generation. When students understand not just what AI can do, but how it thinks, they become creators, not just consumers, of technology. Symbolic AI is built on clear rules and logic. We're talking about systems that solve problems using words, numbers, and if-then statements, not just mountains of data. It's like giving your AI a set of building blocks and watching it construct something you can actually understand and control. And here's why that matters: ethics. When you can see and shape how your AI reasons, you can make sure it works for you and respects your values. Whether you're coding, teaching, or designing, you're not just using AI, you're collaborating with it. So how do you start mapping your AI capabilities? Focus on clarity, embrace symbolic reasoning, build systems that you can audit, tweak, and trust. Because the future of AI isn't about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it while you keep your agency front and center. Let me hit a couple quick FAQs before I go. Symbolic reasoning in AI means using logic and symbols to solve problems, making AI decisions clear and explainable. Symbolic AI boosts creativity by giving you control so you can innovate without feeling lost in a mess of code. And ethical intelligence, it's about making sure your tech reflects your values, not just data points. So go out there, map your AI with clarity, and lead with logic. I'll see you in the next one.